The next step, after you got the CPU and GPU clean, and they gotta have a mirrored finish. It's hard to see in this. There you go. It's nice and mirrored, and it's all clean, dry. You wanna? I usually just stick my finger in there, make sure my finger's real good and clean. Dry it off on a paper towel. And it don't take a whole lot. Your thermal paste, just want to put a little dab on. You want to try keeping it on the processor itself as much as possible. That's plenty after I get done. And after I clean my finger, just want to make sure you get just a thin, very thin spread on here. You want to make sure it's even, nice and smooth. Better to have less than too much, and just put a little more on. This will heat up and spread out even more when it heats up. It'll make a good bond with your heat sink. My final thing I do is tap it. Creates little spikes in the thermal paste. Little like grooves. A little bit goes a long way on thermal paste. Definitely don't want to overdo it. That's what it should look like. You've probably seen in if you ever had me fix your Xbox, I do it on eBay, and this is what the picture looks like on my eBay. Next step is to get my screws ready, and I've taken the screws and cleaned off the heat sinks, and pause the video and clean my finger off real quick.